What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to grill this porterhouse, also known as a T-bone, on a wooden fire. Stay tuned. What we have here is our porterhouse. You'll see on this side you've got your porterhouse, also known as a sirloin cut there, and here your tenderloin fillet. Now because of the size on this side, the tenderloin fillet, that's why this is called a porterhouse steak. If this was smaller, about there, this will be known as a T-bone. Open for debate, but that's what all the big boys say. Right, as you can see, we've got excess fat there. I'm going to trim it a little bit. So let's do like that, just so it's not too much. Look at that. Okay, I'm also going to cut a small piece out of here. Yes, that's perfect. I've got some sinew on this side. This is sinew. I'm going to try and trim it a little bit. There you go, whatever we can get off. Yeah, for the rest, it's not bad. We do need some fat. I think that's good. Okay. Also, what we're going to do today, I've got some selection of peppers here, spring onion, tomatoes, very important, our garlic. On this side I've got rosemary, oregano, a little bit of thyme and parsley. We've got rock salt over there, olive oil, pepper and real butter. We're going to make a little bit of a sauce, more of a basting to put over here, and we're also going to keep on basting it while we have it on the fire. All right. This is going to be our basting. Let's put it over there. Oh, the wine. Very important. Let's see, what do we have? A Merlot for a red piece of meat. We need to taste it, obviously. Cheers. That's perfect. We'll definitely use that. Right, so let's add our ingredients in here. All the veggies. At the end of the day, it's all about the taste. Got some pepper, rock salt. I'm going to add some real butter. You can never go wrong with butter. There you go. Olive oil. Most important. Some of our wine. Yeah, that sounds like the real thing. So what you want to do is marinate this porterhouse steak. Marinate it with this beautiful basting sauce we made. Look there. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to throw it over here. We're not going to do this for too long. We're looking at half an hour. I'm going to start the fire here behind me soon. So, very important to remember is that when you do your basting on your porterhouse, leave it room temperature, not inside the fridge. You don't want to cool down the element, which is the bone. Because what we're going to do here, we're going to sear it each side, let's say 5 minutes, and then upright on the bone. We're going to use the bone as an element. So we're looking for internal temp of about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's medium rare. We're going to take it off at that stage. The element's still going to cook, the element's going to be warm. I've got this grill over here. It's always nice to make sure that your meat's very presentable. So what we're going to do today, put some butter on there and see if we can get some proper sear marks while we're at it. This is a 2.2 kilograms, 5 pounds basically, piece of meat. Let's do it back. Listen to that. Right guys, it's been about 7-8 minutes. I'm going to turn this bad boy over. We're going to sear the other side. We most probably will do the fat side as well, and this side, and then upright on the bone. Right guys, it's been about 45 minutes on the bone, 70% of the time, and then I sealed the deal, another 5 minutes, another 5 minutes. Right, so let's take it off. Look at this baby, look at that, look there. Eh? This is your Porterhouse, also known as a sirloin cut. This half is your tenderloin fillet. We can all fight about that. Very tender. Took it off at 125 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think is perfect. While resting here, it's still cooking. It's time to cut this baby up. Let's cut this baby up. So there's the bone, the element that we've been talking about. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. This is the tenderloin fillet side. Look at that. Shall we taste this piece? I think so. Absolute divine. Beautiful. Beautiful piece of meat. Look at that. Hi guys. Best way to enjoy this, bit of homemade bread, some peppers, and a piece of meat. How's that? Perfect. As my daughter says, heaven on earth. Beautiful. It's nice and soft, juicy. I mean, have a nice look at that. I would say that's medium. Guys, if you like what you're doing here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do this without you. Cheers. Zara? 2, Jan, 3. That's my baby girl. Love you, my baby.